afternoon. I'm here recording my next my YouTube video, and today there's a strawberry smoothie with pineapples. See here. So first, and bananas. So first, I start to slice the bananas. Put them in here. And get rid of this. We're gonna add orange juice. Or you can add milk if you want, but I'm adding orange juice. Or we're gonna have these chia seeds here, bananas. You can also add yogurt, but I prefer to add chia seeds here. So there's one, that's two. Those are chia seeds. Gonna make them, I'll take out them wet. Then you got the orange juice here. You don't want too much orange juice. And the next thing you add the softest ingredients. You add this next. Then you add the apples. Then you add the pineapples slices. Then you add the, as you can see here, the frozen strawberries. And as you keep going, afterwards you can add some ice if you want. Here I'm adding cup of ice. A little more than 20 ice cubes. Want a little more sweet taste, you can add honey. Usually a little bit, like so. Then you start to blend. Make sure this is on here comfortably. What the blend is I'm doing here. This should only take 2 minutes. Never blend anything for more than 2 or 3 minutes at a time to protect your blender from overheating. Always have it on if you want, an automatic mode, so you don't overblend. And start to blend. there's 12 tape. It is what it comes out for protein acid one. The automatic switch. They switch on after 3 minutes to blending. 3 minutes. Which time you cannot use the blender. What do you think? Never won't use it. Never do it better on a pendant. That's it. That's how you make a smoothie of that type. So, and thank you for watching my video. Please, if you like the video, subscribe. Thank you.